Welcome back everyone to Anam's Table Tales. Today I decided to make Nutella Flapjack. For this it only uses a few ingredients. So number one, you can get your oats and then melt some butter. Then pour the butter onto the oats and give it a good mix. After giving it a good mix, then you can add in some honey. I used a couple of teaspoons, but it's completely up to you however sweet you like it. Following this, just keep mixing, and then I got some peanut butter, and again I just put a couple of teaspoons of peanut butter in. Then I started to mix it in real well as the peanut butter was quite hard. So then I got a small baking tray or a baking bowl that can easily go into the oven, and just make sure you press down the flapjack mixture so it gets cooked evenly. I then got some Nutella, which is my favorite. I took a big scoop of Nutella, melted it a little bit so it was a bit runny, and then I decided to pour some over the flapjack mixture. Once you've added the Nutella on top, then we just put it in the oven. I just heated it up to 180 degrees and left it in there for about 15 minutes, and then I cut it up and put it back in the fridge, so just let it cool down and set. And then took out one of the pieces and decorated it in my plate. I tried to make a small chocolate or Nutella swirl and added some peanuts on top just to make it look a bit more nicer and aesthetic. And here we go. These are our Nutella Flapjacks. Hope you enjoy.